So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to add text on a video on TikTok. So let's get it started. At first, make sure you have the TikTok app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. And this is the home page of your TikTok account. Now you should have to tap on profile icon, which is available on the lower corner of right side. Then you should have to tap on draft, which is available on the left side of your screen. Then select a video. So I'm tapping on my first video. Now you can see the option of AA, which is available on the right side of your screen. So tap on it. Then type here your caption. Then you can change the font of your or you can even tap on here. Then you can set duration for how many seconds you want to keep this caption here. So tap on write, then see. After some seconds, the caption has removed successfully, and tap on next. And if you want to delete or post your video, you can tap on cancel to delete. On you to post, you can tap on post icon, which is available on the lower corner of right side. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.